everyone, welcome back to Raja Wishes. I'm Molly, and today I am at Animal Kingdom for the Annual Passholder Preview of the new Zootopia 3D show that is taking over the Tree of Life Theater. So this replaced It's Tough to Be a Bug, and it is going to officially open to the public this Friday, November 7th. But like I said, I'm here for the Annual Passholder Preview. Now, personally, I was not a fan of It's Tough to Be a Bug, and I actually never went on it when it was in Animal Kingdom, but I do remember it from back when we had it in California Adventure, back when we used to have a Bugs Lane, and I am not a fan of 3D shows in general. They freak me out. They have since I was a little kid. I will admit, as an adult, I'm a bit better, but it's still kind of iffy. So hopefully this goes okay. I have heard from some other people who were able to do media and cast member previews that this show is more fun. Even though it has the same effects that It's Tough to Be a Bug utilized, it's supposed to be not scary. So let's go head in there because our virtual queue has been called, and I'll show you guys around, and then afterwards we'll have a little chit chat and I'll let you know what I think. Let's go.
Our shared environment, and our sacred responsibility to party! T-shirt! And surprise, one of you will kick off the show as our Zoogether Day VIZ. Don't worry, our lucky guest.
Oh, how good!
And then another off the slot.
Oh, so excited!
Yeah, whatever it is. Come on up! And what's your...
Oh, special effects!
Why snowflakes on fire?
Oh, wow!
Hey, bub.
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 Judy? Gazelle? Oh, we lost the connection! And on a day all about connection!
VIZ?
Hello, Gazelle!
Let's hear your sing, Zootopia. For legal reasons, I cannot.
Dream my dream! Make a wish upon a whisker!
As a team,
Joining up as brother!
sister, look upon mine.
We're bouncing toward a better day!
Shields intertwined, we raise our hearts against it. We must unite, bring passion comes. So raise your voices, come on and say.
I just got out of Zootopia Better Zoogether show, and it was super cute. Like I said, I'm not someone who usually likes 3D shows, especially 4D shows, but the 3D on this was pretty minimal. If you are bothered by 3D, you could take your glasses off, as you can see in the shots I took, and there's not anything that really comes at you from like a scare factor point of view. There is a lot of air that gets blown in your face, so that made me jump personally a few times, but again, nothing scary. It was all really cute. Overall, the show was really cute. It is all the same effects like everyone has said from It's Tough to Be a Bug. However, you don't get stung anymore, which is nice. However, you do have something that runs underneath you, but like not underneath your feet, like underneath where you're sitting. And then also, I had heard some people say that they got kind of wet in the show. I was one of them. There's a part where the walruses are talking to each other and they're spitting all over each other, and they spit all over you. And after the first 2 or 3 times, you're like, okay, please stop. That's enough. This is kind of gross. However, my mom was sitting right next to me and she did not get even a drop on hers. I think it kind of just depends on where you sit. But overall, I thought it was a super cute show. I think if you have kids, if you Zootopia fans in your family, I'd definitely stop in and see it. I don't think it's necessarily a must-do, but it's also not a whole lot going on in this park. So especially when it's hot, yeah, I think it's a great addition, and I think it's much better than It's Tough to Be a Bug was. So let me know if you end up coming to see it and what you think. Until next time, wishing you less stress and more magic. Bye, guys.